Kamachielo nyakorom gajwang' ne jonyuol e skunde ji giwegi ma Chemelil Academy mayudre Muroni sub-county sani koro obwogo mar dhi e doho kaluwore kod kaka itayo skulno masani nitie lwet kambi mar Shathi Group mane oyudo orak matayo kambi mar sukari ma Chemelil. Jonyuol go wacho ni ok gimor kata matin kaka jaket mwandu no tayo skulno kendo gidwaro mondo mi doho e mothigi ni mar buche magisegoyo kod joket mwandu go kosenyuolo lemo moro amora. Giwacho ni tend kambi manyien no yande ochungo jopuonj kod jotich ma Chemelil Academy tich kanyaka sani jogo moseduok e tich omiyo rak manyap e yor chudo. Gimeno ni Chemelil Academy en achiel kuom skunde matimo maber e pinje alwora ma Nyanza kendo ok gibiye mondo mitaye marach.
So the resolution today is we're going to court tomorrow, basically to have the courts interpret for us what it means for them to have their list. Does their list include the school? Does the list end at the Sugar Company Limited? Because once we have that done and identified, then we'll identify a way forward. So we're asking all our parents out there that tomorrow we will communicate to you when schools is opening, which is in this week or early next week, but the schools will open. But we're also following up on legal issues just to be able to have this resolved once and for all.
My child is at home. Instead of my child being in school, I'm the one who is in school. It's really disheartening because basically I've left my things. My work hours, no one is paying for it. Coming to address something that I think the management ought to have addressed long time ago.
The children have been well in school. My son is in Form 4 right now. We've been here since Form 1. Nothing has ever interfered with their stay in school. So it is only the time that the lease was granted to Kibos Sugar that all these problems started.